Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Lil Boo Thang by Paul Russell. It's about an intermediate level dance. So if I posted the dance with music on Tuesday, so once you learn it here, in this video, you can then go try it out with music with that short. You can find the link to that short in my description box below. And if you don't know some of the steps in this tutorial, choreography tutorial, you can probably find a tutorial of that step in my Tap Step tutorials playlist, which is also linked down in my description box below. So if you want to do the dance with music, that link is below, and if you don't know some of the steps, that link is also below. So let's get started here. So you're going to do a running shuffle or a rolling shuffle. I've heard them called both ways. You're going to do 3. So you're going to start with a step on your right foot. So it's going to go step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. So starting with a step and ending with a step, but it's going to be the opposite foot. So starting with your right foot, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and step. Then you're going to go into a 5-count riff and a 7-count riff. So the 5 is going to be on your right, and the 7 is going to be on your left. Okay? Let's see, what's the actual tempo of that? I think it's... There it is. So the 7's going to be faster because we have to fit those heels in as well. Okay? So you're going to start with 3 of the running shuffle. So it's 1, 2, 3, and a step, 5-count riff, and a 7. Then you're going to repeat that whole thing from the top there. Again, running shuffle times 3, riff, 7. Good. From there, we're going to go into a drawback, or 3 of them. So 3 drawbacks starting right foot, so it'll go right, left, right. And then a toe or a tip on your left. And then you're going to start the drawbacks now on your left foot for 3. So left, right, left. And then toe, toe here on the right. Okay, so 1 tip on the first time, 2 tips on the second time. So we finished 7-count riff. We're going to go drawback 1, 2, 3, toe, 1, 2, 3, toe, toe. Okay? You're going to repeat that again, so 3 drawbacks and a toe on the right foot. Or excuse me, the toe's on the left, but the drawbacks start on the right. And then you're going to start the 3 drawbacks again on your left. And instead of a toe, toe here on your right, you're just going to do 1 toe. And you're going to go step, step, right, left. So toe, step, step. You're going to drop your heels together. You're going to do a pause, and then you're going to go toes and then heels. And this part kind of goes with the music, so you kind of have to listen for that part in the music. I can't think of what the counts are off the top of my head for that part. So let's see. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. And 8 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think that's about right. So once you finish here, step, step, heel, pause, toe, heel. Then you're going to go into a 5-count paradiddle, or two of those. Starting on your right foot, you're going to go 1, 2. And I don't think I have a tutorial for this one, so let me go through it real quick. A paradiddle is a dig, spank, step, heel, which I do have a tutorial for. A 5-count, you're just going to add a heel in the middle of it. So you're going to go dig, spank, heel, step, heel. Pretty much a paradiddle is 4 counts. And so to make it a 5-count, you're adding 1 sound, which is the heel. So again, you have 2 of those. 1, 2. And then you're going to go into an 8-count paradiddle, but it's kind of weird because it has a double shuffle. So let's see, we just finished our 2 5s. Going into the 8, you're going to go dig, spank, heel, and then shuffle, heel, step, heel. And you're going to do that again on your left. Okay, So let's see, going over the number 8 again, the 8 count, it's big swing, heel shuffle, heel step, heel, big swing, heel shuffle, heel step, heel. Okay, let's try it from the top real quick here, since this is about the halfway point of the choreography. So let's just give it a try, nice and slow. I'll walk us through it. 5, 6, 7, 8, running shuffle, riff, again, drawback, step, heel, pause, so heel, 5, 8, okay, and then from here, after that 8, you're going to go into traditional time step, traditional triple time step, 4 times through. So that mostly means that instead of starting with a stomp, you're going to start you're going to start the time step with a shuffle. So I do have also a tutorial going over this one, but you're going to do it 4 times, starting on the right foot. You'll go right, left, right, left. So it'll go here, left, 2 more, and 1. And then after the flap step, you're going to end it with a stomp down because we're going to use that foot. Okay? So traditional time step right after that, number 8, 8 count paradiddle, shuffle, shuffle, step, shuffle, flap step, 1 more, ending it with a stomp down. From there, that stomp, you're going to go stomp, pause. I think he goes bum, 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 bum. And on that bum, 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 you're going to go, well, the stomp is on the first ba. On the second ba, you're holding, you're pausing. And then on the ba, 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 you're going to go toe, heel, toe. Okay, so hold, toe, heel, toe. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me, I think the stomp. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Yeah, 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4. And then you're going to go into 2 back essences on the left and on the right. You're going to go brush, ball, change, stomp, brush, ball, change, stomp. So stomp, hold, toe, heel, toe, back essence, back essence. You're going to repeat that on the other side now. Stomp, hold, toe, heel, toe, back essence times 2. Right side this time, then the left side. Okay. So let's see. Finish that off. So here, stomp, hold, toe, heel, toe, back essence, back essence. You're going to go into a pullback section. So all these pullbacks should be double pullbacks starting on the right foot. You're going to start with a slow step, step, and then all the rest are going to be quick. So you're going to go step, step, double pullback, or also called syncopated on the right foot. Here, then you're going to go into a quick step, step. Okay, and then the last one has 2 pullbacks attached to the step, step. So again, it's a slow pullback, quick, quick, pullback, pullback. And that'll happen 3 times. So let me do it this way. I think it might be a little bit easier to do this way. So you go slow, pull back, quick, quick, pull back, quick, quick, pull back, pull back. And you're going to do that 2 times through. So then once you finish that second, the double pull back on the 3rd time through, you're going to start it again. So ultimately it should sound like this. You're going to go slow, quick, quick, double, slow, quick, quick. And then to end it all, you're going to go step, step, right, left, just to finish out the dance. Okay, that was a lot, and I'm out of breath now. So let's try it from the top, nice and slow, and I will talk us through it, and then I'll do it again where I don't say the steps. Okay? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Running shuffle. Riff. 7, Again. Riff. 7. Drawback. And toe. Again. Step, step, heels, pause, toe, heels. 5, count. 8, count. Traditional triple. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, back essence. Left side, toe, heel, toe, back essence. And step, step, pull back. And step, step. Ooh, I don't have enough space on my board for that. Let's try it one more time. I am not going to say the steps this time. We're just going to run through it. And then after this, you can go ahead and try it with music. All right, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice again. That is a long one, and it is a lot. So that is about an intermediate level dance, if you're interested. And again, if you don't know any of the steps, just pause it, find my tap step tutorial playlist, and search for that step. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you have a song suggestion, excuse me, I'm so out of breath. If you have a song suggestion, please let me know down in the comments below, or if you have a step that you would like me to go over sometime in the future, also leave it down in the comments below, and I will try to get to it as soon as possible. All right. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.